Welcome. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to brush up on the basics, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of altcoins, those fascinating digital currencies that exist alongside Bitcoin and make up a huge part of the crypto universe. And we'll focus on a key number that's making headlines lately: 29%. Think of Bitcoin as the original cryptocurrency, the gold standard, the one that started it all and still dominates the conversation. Every other cryptocurrency that came after is called an altcoin, which is short for alternative coin. These are the digital assets that aren't Bitcoin, but still play a major role in the market. There are thousands of altcoins out there, ranging from giants like Ethereum, which powers smart contracts and decentralized apps, to meme coins like Dogecoin, which started as a joke but gained a massive following and real-world value. Each altcoin tries to improve on Bitcoin's technology, solve unique problems, or offer something entirely new, like faster transactions, privacy features, or creative use cases. Now, let's talk about market dominance, a concept that helps us understand how much influence each coin has in the overall crypto market. Imagine the entire crypto market as a giant pizza. Market dominance is simply how big a slice each coin gets out of the whole pie. Bitcoin dominance measures what percent of the total crypto market's value is held in Bitcoin itself, showing its continued strength. If it's 50%, that means half of all the money invested in crypto is in Bitcoin alone. Altcoin dominance is the opposite. It's the combined share of all coins that aren't Bitcoin, showing how much attention and investment is flowing into alternatives. When altcoin market share grows, it means investors are exploring new projects, diversifying their portfolios, and often taking more risks in hopes of higher rewards. This balance between Bitcoin and altcoins is key to understanding the crypto market's health, trends, and future direction. Recently, the market share of smaller altcoins, those outside the top 10 by size, hit a major milestone: 29%. That's a big deal for the industry. We'll unpack what this means, which altcoins are leading the charge, and what's driving these big moves in the market. We'll also discuss the risks and opportunities this creates for investors and how to think about your own crypto strategy as the landscape shifts. By the end, you'll have a much clearer picture of the current crypto market, the forces shaping it, and what might come next. Let's get started. Scene transition. When we say altcoins reach 29% dominance, it's more than just a number. It's a snapshot of how the crypto landscape is shifting right now. We're talking about all cryptocurrencies except the top 10, so this figure represents the collective strength of hundreds, even thousands, of smaller coins and tokens. This means nearly a third of all crypto investment is now flowing into these smaller, often riskier projects, many of which are still in early development or have uncertain futures. It's a strong signal that investors are searching for the next big thing beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, hoping to catch the next breakout star before it goes mainstream. This often marks what's called an altcoin season, a period when many altcoins outperform Bitcoin, drawing in new traders and creating a buzz of excitement across the market. But this milestone comes during a volatile time. Recent market crashes have wiped out billions, reminding everyone just how sensitive and unpredictable the crypto market can be. The 29% figure is both a sign of growth and a warning of high risk, as rapid gains can quickly turn into steep losses. When so much money is concentrated in smaller, less established assets, the market can become unstable and prone to rapid sell-offs or sudden price swings. Understanding this context is crucial for anyone watching the crypto market now, as it helps separate hype from real opportunity and risk. Scene transition. This shift toward altcoins is more than just a trend. It's a fundamental change that impacts every crypto investor, whether you're new to the space or a seasoned trader. While Bitcoin remains the dominant force and the original cryptocurrency, altcoins are starting to carve out their own space, often delivering impressive gains even when Bitcoin's price stays steady. Investors are shifting their focus, digging deeper into individual projects to evaluate their technology, real-world applications, and long-term potential, rather than simply tracking Bitcoin's movements. This opens up a wider range of opportunities and more decisions to make when it comes to building a truly diversified portfolio that can weather different market conditions. But with the possibility of higher rewards, there's also a significant increase in risk that investors must be prepared to manage. Altcoins are known for their volatility. Their prices can surge or plummet dramatically in response to news, rumors, or even social media hype. The recent flash crash was a stark reminder of just how quickly altcoins can lose value, sometimes in a matter of minutes. To navigate this landscape successfully, investors need to do their homework, researching projects thoroughly, understanding what gives them value, and staying alert to market shifts and volatility. The fact that altcoins now make up 29% of the market is a wake-up call. The crypto ecosystem is growing, evolving, and becoming more sophisticated every day. For those willing to adapt and learn, this is a market bursting with innovation, new ideas, and untapped potential. But to truly benefit, it demands a thoughtful, strategic approach, one that balances curiosity with caution and always keeps the bigger picture in mind. Altcoins aren't just a faceless group, there are clear leaders. Ethereum is the king of altcoins, powering smart contracts and decentralized apps. Solana, XRP, and Dogecoin are also major players, each with unique strengths. Solana is known for speed and low fees, XRP for revolutionizing international payments, and Dogecoin for its massive community. These top altcoins often set the tone for the rest of the market. As of now, Ethereum trades around $4,030, Solana at $203, XRP at $2.52, and Dogecoin at $0.20. Their price movements reflect the market's volatility and investor sentiment. Understanding these leaders helps you grasp the broader altcoin landscape. Scene transition. 10. Ethereum is more than just an altcoin, it's the backbone of a new digital economy. Its smart contracts power everything from DeFi to NFTs, making it essential to the crypto ecosystem. Institutional interest is surging, with billions flowing into Ethereum ETFs. Even financial giants like BlackRock are betting on Ethereum's future. Despite its strength, Ethereum isn't immune to market shocks, as seen in the recent flash crash, but its strong developer and investor base helps it recover quickly. Ongoing upgrades aim to make Ethereum faster, cheaper, and more energy efficient. For investors, Ethereum is a core holding, relatively safer than smaller altcoins, and a key indicator of the crypto market's health. Its performance shapes the future of DeFi and NFTs. Scene transition. 11. Ethereum faces strong challengers, each with unique appeal. Solana is the speedster, handling thousands of transactions per second with low fees, perfect for games and trading platforms. XRP aims to modernize global payments, working with banks for fast, cheap cross-border transfers. Dogecoin, born as a meme, thrives on its passionate community and viral appeal. Solana's price has surged. XRP is gaining on regulatory clarity, and Dogecoin remains a cultural force. These coins show the diversity of the crypto world, tech innovation, financial utility, and community power. For investors, they offer different paths to growth and highlight the need to understand each project's strengths. The market values speed, utility, and community in different ways. Scene transition. 11. Crypto's wild swings are driven by a mix of global events, institutional moves, and internal developments. Market shocks, like trade tensions or regulatory crackdowns, can trigger massive sell-offs, as seen in the recent flash crash. Institutional adoption is a game-changer. When giants like BlackRock and Citigroup invest, it brings credibility and capital. Regulatory decisions like ETF approvals or legal clarity for coins like XRP can spark rallies or crashes. Internal factors matter too. Tech upgrades, new apps, and whale activity can move prices fast. For example, Solana surged after a major network upgrade, while meme coins can tank if a big holder sells. All these forces combine to create the volatile, exciting market we see today. Staying informed is key to navigating these rapid changes. Scene transition. 13. Investing in altcoins is high risk, high reward. The biggest opportunity is finding early-stage projects with real potential. Some can deliver massive returns. Diversification is another advantage. Crypto now covers DeFi, gaming, digital identity, and more. But volatility is extreme. Prices can swing 50% in a day, and hype can vanish overnight. Scams, hacks, and project failures are real dangers. Research is essential. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The 29% dominance shows many are chasing big dreams, but risk is just as real as reward. Look beyond hype, study fundamentals, and be cautious. The opportunity is huge, but so is the risk. Scene transition. 11. If you're new to altcoins, start with curiosity and patience. Don't chase overnight riches. Focus on learning every day. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest a small, fixed amount regularly, no matter the price. This removes emotion and helps you build discipline. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 major projects like Ethereum or Solana, and follow their progress. Your investment becomes your motivation to learn more. The crypto market is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent learning and patient investing put you in the best position to succeed. Don't be intimidated by volatility. See it as an invitation to grow. Thanks for joining me, and happy investing. In 13, en die dorten dode stuurtreur.